JJ the CPA here. Wanted to follow up on our live broadcast to talk a little bit further about reimbursing yourself mileage. So for 2019, it is 58 cents a mile that you can be reimbursed and it be tax-free. The first thing to note is that you're not required to pay yourself mileage. Your employer is not required to reimburse you mileage. And if they reimburse you mileage, they're not required to do 58 cents a mile. The law is in play that says you can be reimbursed up to 58 cents a mile and it be tax-free to you. Now, why is that important? If you have an employer, surely you're already handing in mileage to get reimbursed at whatever rate they're going to reimburse you. The thing to note here, though, is that if you are a business owner and you are using your personal vehicle for business, you need your business to reimburse you 58 cents a mile. That adds up, right? I mean, think of this. If you were to drive 1,000 miles on behalf of your business, that's a $580 check to you. That means tax-free to you. You got $580 from your business that your business also got to deduct. Here's the caveat. You have to substantiate the miles, but do it in a manner as though you were working somewhere else, meaning an expense report. So one of the things that you can do if you have a personal vehicle is, have your daily log or a little memo in your phone or get an app that tracks it. But then once a month, here's the business miles, and therefore I need my business to reimburse me 58 cents per mile. But for you to be able to get the deduction, you have to have your business pay you for it. It's not something that you can give to us or your tax preparer come tax time and ask them to write it off, because the law doesn't allow it to work that way anymore. So again, you need to be reimbursed the mileage in the year that you want to write it off. 58 cents a mile, it adds up. Now, if your business owns the vehicle, you're not going to be able to get reimbursed miles. You will then just have the business pay for the expenses of that said vehicle. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. Well, here's the bottom line. You need to subscribe to my videos, right? I've given you valuable information here. I appreciate you tuning in, but here's what I need you to do. A favor, click subscribe, check out my other videos, and then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me.